Hello everybody, Steve here, and today is package day. But first, why did the man run around his bed? Because he was trying to catch up with sleep. What is more impressive than a talking parrot? A spelling bee. Why do scuba divers fall backwards off the boat? Because if they fell forward, they'd still be in the boat. Oh boy. Anyway, today's package day, as you can tell, and obviously by my setup on my desk today, it's pretty exciting. And this package is from the Lockpicker 1969. He said he was sending me a package as kind of a thank you for doing the cutaway on that Unity lock, but he did not tell me what it is, so we get to find out together. But before I begin, I send out a bunch of these. Check out what I got. I got my poker chips. I didn't order too many of them, just a few of them, and I only have a couple left. I sent them all out, so I'll have to make some more and get some more in for you guys. But anyway, let's get this baby open. Careful not to cut anything I don't want to. Cut just the box. Alright, here we go. The box is empty. Look at this. We got some of the poker chips. Here's the collection. All 5 of his poker chips that he has. And if you haven't seen these are awesome. All kinds of different sayings on them. Just like his shirts that he does. See if I can get them spread out so you can read what they are. There we go. Awesome poker chips. Love them. And take a look at this. What's in here? You better open this one up. Look at that, a coaster. Now I can set my drink in there, but, well, there we go. My little can cozy. A little coaster. Awesome. That is cool. Check it out. Lockpicker 1969 keychain. I have not seen these yet. Very awesome. Just like I haven't seen the coaster either. So very, very awesome. And here's some stickers. Got the, oh sorry, got the round ones and the holographic ones. Very, very cool. Thank you very much, Lockpicker 1969. And here's a letter. That's going to be read off camera another time. So let's check this out. Yes, it is a sharp knife. Okay. Set that knife over there out of the way. No, I cut in the wrong place. Oh, maybe not. Hold on. There we go. And voila! Look at all those challenge locks. Oh my goodness. Here is Jason Carlson's pinned in. Jason Carlson, pinned September 13th, 2018. It's called Tungsten. Sticks a little. Counters, or whatever. Counter is hard. There's that one. Here's another Jason Carlson. And this one is called Vertigo. Oh my, look at that key. There we go. How's that for a key? Let's see, this is... Can't read the other side. On one side it says TLP, and the other side says hot, wet, and sticky. This is that U-Berts? Is that what that says? There we go. How's that one? Yeah, look at that key. Got a mountain to climb with that one. Haha. Let's see, here is Lock Picka 69, number 12. Okay. And the last one, another Jason Carlson. And this is called Heavy Metal. Heavy Metal. Awesome. Great challenge locks to work on. So, thank you, Lockpicker 19, for sending these on. Awesome to get the coaster and the keychain. I haven't seen those before, so I'm very happy to get those. And more, and of course the poker chips and stuff. It's very cool. Thank you very much, and thank you. Maybe I can say thank you for the challenge locks, but anyway, thank you very much. And I got the letter over there, so I'll read that personally, not on camera. But anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Thank you, Lockpicker 1969, for sending these my way. Everybody, make sure that you're subscribed and you like this video. Like the video, and definitely leave comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Where's my stop? Stop.